Hi kids, good morning. Welcome to today's English class. In today's class, we are going to learn how to answer these questions. What are the questions I have written here? First question is, what can you do? What can you do? What na என்ன என்னன்னு கேட்போம்ல அது வாட் கேன் யூ டூ உன்னால் என்ன பண்ண முடியும் வாட் கேன் யூ யூனா யார் நீ டூ என்ன பண்ண முடியும் வாட் கேன் யூ டூ ஐ கேன் ரன் ஐ கேன் ரன் ஐ கேன் ரன் வாட் கேன் யூ டூ ஐ கேன் ரன் how to answer the question what can you do you have to answer when someone asks what can you do I can run what can you do I can write what can you do I can swim so what can you do I can run when it is one person when they are asking question to you you should answer with I. What does he refer to? He refers to boy. She refers to girl. When you ask question to a boy, you should ask what can he do? He can jump. Why we are using he here? Because he represents boy. Repeat after me. Why we are using he? He refers to boy and she refers to girl. He refers to boy. Whenever you write a sentence about a boy, you should use he. He is a very good boy. He studies well. He eats well. He can write. He can read. He can draw. He can swim. So like this, whenever you are talking about a boy, you should use he. Whenever you are talking about a girl, you should use she. He refers to boy and she refers to girl. I refers to individual person. Okay, I means individual. Na. He na yaru avan. She na aval. So what can you do? I can run. What can he do? He represents who? He represents boy. Avanale enna panna mudiyum? He can jump. Students, do the book activity now. Circle the correct picture. This is hat. Circle this. Shoes. Circle this. Pants. Circle this. Tie. This is tie. We can see with our eyes. We see with our eyes. We smell with our nose. We walk on our legs. We clap with our hands. With what you will see with your eyes, right? So eyes is the correct answer. With what you will smell with your nose. With what you will walk with your legs. With what you will clap your hands? We clap with our hands. Okay. Tick that are yellow. Here this is mango, right? Color, tick this. Sun is always yellow in color, so tick this. Banana is also a yellow color, so tick this. These three are yellow in color, so tick that. Students, now try to write the sentence. I can jump. She can write. Sorry. Students, they have asked to write the sentence with I can. Only assume these as you and say the actions. I can jump. I can write. I can swim. I can climb. I can read. I can sing. Okay? With I can, you should write the sentence. I can jump. What is spelling for jump? J-U-M-P. Jump. I can write. I can write. I can swim. I can climb. I can read. I can sing. So, I can jump, I can write, I can swim, I can climb, I can read, I can sing. Read, okay? Now fill with A or an. The first letter is here A, it's a vowel, so you will write an. The second letter here B, box, B is a consonant, so a. Here a box, a tap. Here why a? Because T is a consonant, so a. Here what are the vowels first? A, E, I, O, U or the vowels. So here the egg, it starts with the sound E is a vowel, so an egg. Here jug, J is a consonant, so a. Here ox, O is a vowel, so earn. Kite, K is a consonant, so a kite. Van, V is a consonant, so a van. What she is doing? She is jumping, so jump is the correct action word. What he is doing? He is sitting, so sit is the correct. You know how to make into plural, right? This is one cap. How will you make into plural? You will add yes. These are only exercise I have already taught, right? How will you make into plural? You will add yes. Okay, this is why we are using a here, because B is a consonant, so a. K is a this is a kite, K is a consonant, so a. Why we are using an? A axe is a is a vowel, so we are using an. This is a bun, this is a kite, this is an axe. So students, for today's activity, for today's homework, you will complete the book activity. Thank you kids. Bye bye.